In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TurboTax Business Incorporated. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up your business return, reviewing it for accuracy, and submitting it the right way. Start by opening TurboTax Business on your computer. If you're prompted, sign into your Intuit account so your settings and prior data are available. This also helps the software save your progress as you go. From the home screen, choose Start a New Return and select the tax year you want to prepare. Double-check that you're working in the correct year so your forms and limits match IRS rules for that period. Next, pick the business entity that matches your company. A regular corporation files Form 1120, an S corporation files Form 1120S, and a partnership or multi-member LLC files Form 1065. If you're unsure which applies, use your organizing documents or prior year return as a reference so your selection matches how the IRS recognizes your business. Enter your core business information: the legal business name, employer identification number, business address, and the date the business started. Use the exact name and EIN shown on your IRS records to avoid delays. Then complete the business profile. You'll answer questions about your primary business activities, ownership details, shareholders or partners, and your accounting method. Choose cash or accrual to match how your books are kept, and make sure ownership percentages and roles reflect your actual structure. If you haven't installed TurboTax Business yet, pause here. Use the link in the description to download and install it, then relaunch and sign in to continue right where you left off. Move to the income section and enter your sales revenue, service income, and any other business earnings. Rely on your financial statements and bank records for accuracy, and keep totals consistent with your bookkeeping to minimize IRS notices. Then enter deductible expenses such as payroll, rent, utilities, supplies, insurance, and professional fees. Categorize items carefully so they land on the correct lines, and keep supporting receipts and invoices with your records. Before filing, use the review section to scan for missing information, errors, and any required forms you may have overlooked. Let the built-in checks guide you, and confirm items like ownership percentages and state returns if your business operates in multiple locations. When everything looks good, follow the prompts to file electronically, or print and mail your return if that's required for your situation. Save a copy of the final return and your e-file confirmation for your records. Thanks for watching.